Hey, what's going on, fellas? Today I got a little piece of information to share with you guys. I learned this from an old dog that's been doing the same trick for year after year, and I'll tell you what, had I not seen him do this one day, I'd be leaking gas out of this tank like a madman right now. My welder, my buddy Mike, who sells this kind of stuff, was selling me a tank one day, and he went to check how much pressure was in the tank. But before he did, he walked up and gave it a strong blow inside the nozzle before he hooked up the regulator to check the pressure in the tank. And I thought, wow, that's a smart move. I never even considered doing that. So now I do it every time. Today I want to do it, and I want to show you what I found. Now, had I not seen him do that day, I would not have bothered to even mess with this. I would have just hooked it up and been on my way. Now this is a bottle of Tri-Mix for welding stainless. I don't remember what I paid for this. I don't look at price tags much these days when it comes to stuff I need, so I do know it ain't cheap. And I had to share that with you guys. It's just one of those tricks where, man, I don't think you'd learn that in school. Maybe you do. It just seems like an old dog trick to me, and I wanted to share that one with you guys because that would have been an expensive ordeal. So if you've never done that before you hooked up your tank, I suggest checking it out first to see what kind of dirt and grit's in there. Slightest bit of dust getting in that thing is going to let gas leak out on you. All right, fellas, I'm going to shut this tank down. I got a real important job to do here, and I'd hate to run out of gas right in the middle of welding some 1/4-inch stainless steel tubing. So the question is, how much gas is left in this tank? We often take these things back to the shop with way more pressure than this in there. So I'm going to remove this valve and vent this tank. Place your bets. Okay, I got the door open. I'm gonna go ahead and vent this tank. I'm gonna freaking die of suffocation. Insane. I don't know when I started, but we're at about 1 minute and 50 seconds here.